Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. Student, I hope you are doing well. So, in the previous lecture, we studied carbohydrate and reaction, and today we are going to study classifications of carbohydrates. My dear student, this topic will help us to understand how carbohydrates are good based on their structure and complexity. So let's understand why classifications as needed. There are many types of carbohydrates present in nature. To study them easily, scientists divide carbohydrate into different groups based on number of sugar units, complexity of structure, chemical behavior. Main classifications of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are mainly divided into three major classes. First one monosaccharides, second one disaccharides, third one is polysaccharides. So shortly discuss each one. First one monosaccharides. Mono means one. These are the simplest carbohydrates, cannot be broken down into smaller sugars. Examples glucose, fructose, lactose. Characteristics sweet and dust, soluble in water, quick source of energy. Second one, disaccharides. Di means two, formed by the combination of two monosaccharides units. Examples sucrose, table sugar, lactose, milk sugar, maltose. Characteristics sweet, soluble in water, provide energy after digestion. Third one, polysaccharides. Poly means many, made up of long chains of monosaccharides units. Examples starch, cellulose, glycogen. Characteristics not sweet, mostly insoluble in water, used for energy storage and structure. Comparison between monosaccharide, disaccharides, and polysaccharides types. Monosaccharides have one sugar units, example glucose, and nature is simple sugar. Disaccharides have two sugar units, an example sucrose, nature is double sugar. Polysaccharides have many sugar units, example starch, nature is complex sugar. Diagrammatic representation of carbohydrate. Carbohydrate are classified into monosaccharides, 1 unit, disaccharides, 2 unit, polysaccharides, many units. Key points for exam. Carbohydrates classified by number of sugar units. Monosaccharides, simplest sugars. Disaccharides, 2 sugar units. Polysaccharides, complex carbohydrates. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lecture on classifications of carbohydrate. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.